surely will be found, in colour and abundance, in foreground or behind, things we take for granted, in view but not in mind. A member of our household, a giant on parade, a haven for our wildlife, a brolly or a shade, a character so longing to, so patient through the ages, a friend to us that speaks no words but gives its all for pages. We cut it down, turn it to flames, we curse it just for being, but truth be told we barely know the half of what we're seeing. What is this thing? Love and hate, and treat so carelessly? What is its name? Silent race. Don't ask, you know it.